What's up, guys? Waffle VR. There's today is gonna be like the giveaway. Not right now though. It's gonna be at 5:45 U.S. time. Right now for me is 4:43. 5:45. Code waffles. Waffles. Okay. Look at my Look at my name. I should show you. Code waffles was for all this. And no, I'm not a moderator. I just got a bunch of stuff. And I also give away these galaxy snowballs. All these. This too would be a lucky giveaway. And also I give out one of those, golden flashlight, pumpkin, apple, and egg, a regular snowball. I give them this, which is a corrupted CD. Give them one of those, a crate. So yeah, 5:45, the giveaway, and you can meet me. 5:45. Like and subscribe. Hopefully you're on. 5:45. Code waffles. Waffles out.